Okay, so it seems my mic did not pick up any of it. We are harvesting the Pontiac Reds. I planted about in between a half a pound and a pound back in March. So we got a decent harvest. Keep watching to the end to see how much we got of the Pontiac Reds and the grand total for what we got from this harvest and the Yukons from last week. Soon my phone's going to overheat from being outside because it was very hot out there, so we didn't get a full video of the harvest, but here's what we did wind up with, and it wasn't a bad harvest. Once we got up to the garage, we made guesses about how big it was going to be, and Mason thinks 35. Lexi thinks 25. So let's see what it is. It's 22.6 pounds of Pontiac Reds that came from either a half a pound or whole pound planted in that bed. So in combination with the 32 pounds that we got of Yukons, we got a total of 50 pounds of potatoes for this year's harvest.